We are back for day 2 of our trip to the Los Angeles Zoo for animal adaptations. Yesterday you got started on this assignment, so today here's what you're going to do. You will open up the link again. Today you don't need to listen to the welcome video again because you've already done that. And yesterday we did the African grassland and the Amazon rainforest. Today you are going to be in charge of doing the yellow and the orange, which is Southern California, and the Australian outback. So you are going to click on Southern California. And again, just like yesterday, you're going to start by looking at the image that is provided, and you are going to practice those 3 scientific skills. You're going to notice some things. What do you notice in this picture? You're going to think about what you wonder. What questions do you have? The last one, what can you say about this place? I think what? What do you think? What do you know about this? Once you've done those 3 things, you will continue to the animals. And here are the 4 animals. You're going to read the names of the animals first. Then you will work on that red box. What do the animals have in common? What is different about the animals? And do you notice any adaptations? Once you try to answer those questions, you will then individually go to visit all 4 of these animals. Here's the possum. You're going to then see the picture of that animal, and you're going to practice those 3 skills: notice, wonder, think. Once you've talked to yourself a little bit through those 3 scientific questions, you're going to click that next arrow, and you're going to watch the video on the possum. Once you have finished watching that video about the possum, don't worry if this happens to you. You can just go back to the habitats menu, and you can click in again. Oops. Southern California. No, I said Southern California. There we go. You can just click in again. And once you have watched that video, you're going to look on the right side, read the fun fact, stop at the stop sign, and answer that question to yourself. What do you notice about the possum's hands? So once you've watched the video, you can actually answer that question. You're going to then go back. You're going to do that for all 4 animals. Once you've done all 4 animals, you will return to habitats and you will go to the Australian outback. Once you get to the Australian outback, just like we've done before, you're going to answer those 3 sentence stems: I notice, I wonder, I think about this photo. Then you are going to go meet the animals. You're going to say the names of all these animals. It's okay if you don't say them correctly. I bet you'll learn how to say them once you watch the video. You're going to look at what the animals have in common, what's different about those animals, and do you notice any adaptations right away? Once you've answered those questions, again, you're going to go through each animal individually. Then you're going to answer those 3 scientific questions. What do you notice about that picture? What do you wonder about that picture? What do you think about that picture? Once you've answered those to yourself, you'll click that arrow to go visit the video. Your video will play. You will then go ahead and do the right side where it says the fun fact. You will stop at the stop sign, answer the question, and you'll return to the animals. Again, once you finish all 4, you will return to your habitats, and then you are all done with today's exploration. So today's assignment, again, is to do the bottom 2 habitats, Southern California and the Australian outback. Have fun exploring. Learn a lot about different animals and their adaptations. You're going to have to write about one of those animals in the discussion board, so make sure you're listening carefully so that you can share one fun fact about an animal adaptation learned from this presentation. Bye.